So we're really excited to be doing this steering group assembly, especially as it's the first one with Kate. So I am the Rights Respecting Schools Coordinator, and Kate...
I'm the Inclusion Lead for Safeguarding, so it's really nice to be involved.
Fantastic, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Welcome to our steering group assembly. We are celebrating International Migrants Day by participating in the Blue Plaque project. We would like to thank all the wonderful people who have come to Birmingham from other countries and have helped us so much.
We are celebrating International Migrants Day on the 18th of December, and as such we're interviewing lots of people in Oscott Manor School to find out whether their family are from the UK or from somewhere different, and then we're going to make our very own blue plaque display. Barbara is helping us get our School of Sanctuary Award, and as such she came to talk to us about the Blue Plaque project.
Yeah, it means that you understand the UNICEF rights of the child and all the other things that UNICEF does. Now, one of the things that UNICEF does, because it's part of the United Nations, is it celebrates on the 18th of December every year International Migrants Day.
That's for asylum seekers, right?
Well, asylum seekers are migrants, but there are different kinds of migrants. A lot of people leave their homes because of floods, because of poverty, not just because of war. So a lot of people come to find a better life.
And storms.
I'm a migrant because I grew up in Scotland. I lived in Sweden, I lived in Germany, I lived in Belgium. So all my life I have been a migrant. Now I'm in Birmingham and I'm a migrant. But so when we say we want to celebrate the migrants, that means we're actually we're glad they're here. Basically, we're glad we're here. Now you all live in Birmingham.
Yeah.
Birmingham could not exist without migrants. People came from Ireland, they came from Italy, they came from Pakistan, India, Scotland even. So you could make a blue plaque saying celebrating the contribution of migrants who came to Birmingham, made Birmingham what it is, celebrating the contribution of migrants from Pakistan who came and invented the Balti, the Italians who came and made pizza restaurants, or people that you know, nurses and doctors, or somebody in your family. I think you might actually have some migrants in this school, on the staff. Do any of you know migrants have come to Birmingham that you would like to give a blue plaque to?
We've had a lovely talk from Barbara. Shall we make a blue plaque display for our school?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that a big yes?
Yeah.
Yes!
Fantastic. Right, who are we going to make our blue plaques for?
Priscilla.
Priscilla. Why are we making Priscilla a blue plaque?
Because she was a migrant.
Because she was a migrant. Thank you.
Let's celebrate the work of migrants. Freddie Mercury was a very famous migrant. He was born in Tanzania and he moved to the UK, and the rest is history.
So, Mataza and I wondered about people that came from different countries in Oscott Manor. Mataza, who did we think of?
Maria.
We thought of Maria. So now Mataza is going to ask Maria what country she came from and what does she think of England.
I'm Tada.
Which country did you came from?
I came all the way from Croatia.
Wow, Croatia.
Yeah.
Interesting. Why did you come from England in the first place?
I came because I wanted to study abroad. So when I finished high school in Croatia, I didn't know what to do. So one of my friends was already living in England. So he said, why don't you give it a go? There's great universities in the UK. So I did.
Oh, so that's why you came to England?
Yeah.
What do we say to Maria? Thank you.
Thank you, Maria,
Thank
for
you.
telling me where you came from
Thank you.
and why you came from England.
Camilla, where are your mum and dad from?
My mum and dad are from Jamaica.
Do they prefer it here or in Jamaica?
I think they preferred it in Jamaica.
Why is that?
I think the weather, probably. It's better weather, isn't it?
That's true. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Are you a mum and dad from the UK?
My mum is from the UK and my dad is from the Republic of Ireland.
Very posh.
Very posh. Oh wow! So Nat, you are from a family of migrants. Well, your dad's a migrant,
I am.
isn't he?
I am.
Okay. So Millie, do you think Natalie's dad prefers it in the UK or the Republic of Ireland? Should we ask her? Okay. Natalie, which do you think your dad prefers? My dad prefers his holidays in the Republic of Ireland, but he prefers to live here.
Thank you.
Hello, Millie and me are talking to Priscilla, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because we're thinking about our School of Sanctuary Award, International Migrants Day on the 18th of December. So Millie has decided to interview Priscilla. Take it away, Millie.
What do I... What country do you live in?
Oh, I've come from lovely, warm and sunny country called Ghana in the West Africa.
Wow, that sounds exciting. Why did you come to the UK?
Okay, I came to the UK through marriage because my husband schooled here and yeah, we got married. So yeah, I had to come and join him.
What do you like living in the UK?
Oh, there's quite a few things about the UK, you know, that's attracted me here, obviously. Not the weather really, because I've loved the sunny weather. I love the culture here. I love the people, you know, who I've known around me. So yeah, I think that's it really.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much, Millie.
Pleasure.
Hello. My name is Imam.
Hello, my name is Beres.
Where did your mom and dad come from?
My mom and dad are both from Jamaica.
Oh. Where do your mom and dad prefer England or Jamaica?
That's a tricky one. I think there are lots of things about Jamaica they still love, such as the lifestyle is more relaxed, the weather, the scenery, you're close to lots of beaches, and we still have lots of family there.
Why?
But but England, I think that would be what they prefer, because that's where they moved to, that's where they stayed, and that's where they had their children, and I'm one of their children. And because of them staying here, I've had lots more opportunities than I feel I would have had somewhere else. So I've been able to go to school, make lots of new friends from all different places. And also after finishing school, I came back to school as a teacher to teach you all about the same rights and opportunities that I had.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Selma from?
We are Selma warm.
Oh, Selma, where are you from?
From Pakistan.
Selma.
Local Selma.
So we are very blessed to have Saima as our reading champion. Saima was born in Pakistan and she is going to tell you a little bit about herself and ask you how you are in Urdu.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम साइमा है, आप कैसे हैं?
Marta Oase has got a question for you. Marta, where are you from?
Hi, I'm from Poland.
Poland.
Yes, Poland. Yeah, put it up like this.
So Marta Oase and me are wondering why you came to England.
I came to England because I wanted to have a wife and a child, and that is not possible in Poland.
So we've got one last question for you, Marta. Do you like England?
Yes, I do like England. I like people here because they're nice and polite, but the weather is terrible.
Thank you, Marta.
Thank you, Alice. Thank you, Louise.
Bye.
Bye.
We have been making blue plaques for display. I am celebrating Maria from Croatia.
I'm celebrating Marcus from Northern Ireland.
We are celebrating Selma.
Selma.
Where's that come from?
You, Marta. Right, Casey and Lewis, could you tell everyone what we're working on in our steering group meeting today?
We're working on a blue plaque for someone.
Who did you choose, Casey?
I chose Natalie in reception.
Fantastic. And who did you choose, Lewis?
I chose Priscilla.
And also over here, we've got Kate and Millie working very hard indeed.
I am celebrating Selma.
Plaque is for Priscilla and it's a work in progress.
Article 22 states, if I am a refugee, I have the same rights as children born in that country. Thank you for listening to our steering group assembly, which has celebrated the migrants in Birmingham, and especially those who work and help us so much at Oscott Manor. Thank you.